class. This is Professor Thompson, and I wanted to welcome all of you to the Principles of Sociology class. And what I wanted to accomplish today is to show you the class website and how to navigate and find course material. All right, well, let's get started. Okay. All right, so when you first log into the website, what you will find is the announcement page. That's the landing page for the course. And I recommend all of you read the announcements every week. I post announcements and I also send them via email as well. I post announcements anywhere from 2 to 3 times a week, depending on what we have going on in the class. All right, and let's just go over some information in the announcements for this week. The first thing is that the class officially begins on Monday, January the 13th, and you will have access to all course material by Monday on the 13th of January. The required textbook for the class, it is an ebook, and by Cengage is the publisher, and the author of the textbook is Diana Kimball, and the title is Sociology in Our Times, The Essentials. Now, this particular ebook with Cengage, it does have the Mind Tap and also other accessories. The only thing you will need for this class will be the chapter readings. I will not be using quizzes or any of the assignments from Cengage. So all you need is the ebook, and here is the link for the class so you can access the course, so you can access the textbook. So you just click on the link and type in whatever email and password that you're using. All right. So, and now I realize that some students have not purchased the textbook yet, and I have provided PDF copies of the textbook. So when you're in announcements, all you need to do is click on the link for the textbook, and then you will find the various chapters. So this is chapter 1, okay? All right, and then I have provided you with chapters 2 and 3. So you have the first 3 weeks of reading material so you can keep up with your studies. And by that time, within 3 weeks, you should be able to get your textbook by then. All right, now here are some of the tasks that I want you to accomplish this week. Number 1, locate the syllabus, and I'll show you where that is. And read the discussion post rubric, find the discussion forums, the quizzes, assignments, and lecture notes. For your assignment this week, you're going to post your initial discussion post on Blackboard by Thursday, January the 16th. You'll write a reply post responding to one of your classmates' posts by January the 19th. You'll take quiz 1 by January the 19th. And for the quizzes, you get 2 attempts. Each attempt, you're allowed 90 minutes. And so it's 90 minutes per attempt. And once you read the class syllabus, you will see that I drop one of your lowest quiz grades. So you get a freebie in this class. That's what I call it. Now, your freebie, you can exercise it in a variety of ways. Number 1, you can use it to drop your lowest score for a quiz that you actually attempted. Or if for some reason you forget to take the quiz, or you're ill, or you can't take it, you use your freebie. So you get 1 freebie for the quiz. All right. And And then the next task you want to accomplish is write your student bio in Padlet. Now, this is due on Sunday, and I would like for you to write a student bio so I can get to know a little bit more about you. And with the student bio and Padlet, you have two options available. One, you can write a short student bio and you can upload a photo in Padlet, or you can use the webcam and record a video of the student bio. And in your student bio, please remember to write a byline at the top of your post so you get credit for it. Okay? And here are the links for how to use Padlet and open an account. And this is a link for the student bio Padlet. And then there's a password of spring 2020. Okay, so let's get started here. Okay, so let's go ahead. And so now that you know about the announcements, let's go ahead and talk about the navigation areas. So we have the announcements and assignments. We'll just follow them in order that I have here. Here are the student journals for the week. These are private communications between you and me. Every week you're going to write a student journal. So you'll just click on the link for the student journal, and then you will and you will click begin or continue. And so for the student journal, what I like to do is I want to know as soon as possible if you're having any problems in the class. So if you don't have any questions about the class, what you will do is you will click on the radio button that says I have no written commentary on the class, and then you can hit save and submit. Or if you do have a question, you will click on this button here, click save and submit. But the first thing you're going to do is click on the button so you can open the email, and then here all right, and then you will open your email account. Okay, all right, and then that way you can write me an email and to ask your question. But it's very important that you click either one of the radio buttons here and click save and submit and click OK. All right, so those are the assignments. Here you will find the critical reflection paper assignments, all of the assignment, the instructions, the links for the critical reflection paper, and then the survey methods. I'll just click on there. Here are the instructions. I've also provided an instructional video explaining how to write the assignment, and also provided you with formatting sources. And let's return to assignments. Your term paper, your social investigation project. Here, and we'll talk more about this. There's that assignment there. And your group presentation. Every in the semester here, every member in the class will be divided into the group for a group participation project. And here you will find the names of all of your group members and the week that you are presenting. So the group presentation project, it occurs in the second half of the semester. So for week 8, Here are all of the names of the group members, and then here are the email contact information. And so you have that information there. And as I said before, I will discuss this more later, but I just wanted to show you where it is so you can start looking for it. This the participation project, it has two components. You need to write a chapter summary and respond to a group question that's posed by the instructor. And so and I will go into that a little bit more later. Okay, and let's return to assignments here. And we did group presentation. All right, now here are your chapter quiz. There's a direct navigation link for you to take your quizzes. Okay, and over here you have your discussion. Okay, so for week 1, you're going to learn about the sociological imagination, and you're going to be using an example of a case study of the opioid epidemic. All right, and this video, I believe it's about 15, maybe 20 minutes, and you will write your reply. You'll click on reply, and you'll write your initial post on Thursday, and then your response post on Sunday. Okay. And here's a link where you can email me. You can just click on that link and you can email me directly. Okay. And let's see, we'll hit cancel. And let's see, and here you will find the syllabus and also the course link for Cengage for the textbook. And all you have to do is click here, and that is where you will find the syllabus. All right. Okay, now what I want to do next is show you how to work with the checklist. This link here, checklist start here. After you read the announcements, it's a good place to start is the checklist. Okay, and with the checklist, let's see what happened there. There we are. What I have done, I provided you with a link once again for the ebook for the class. And every week, the assignments and exercises, they are broken down by week so you know exactly what you have to do. So the checklist for week 1, you're going to read chapter 1 lecture. You'll read the student bio and intro. You'll write your discussion board, initial post, the reply post, and you'll read the chapter quiz, and you'll do the student journal. Now, all you need to do is click on the link, and here you will find the discussion, the quiz, you'll see the lecture notes, a copy of the Kindle book, the journal which we went over, and Padlet. So all that you need to do for Padlet, and this is fairly simple for you to do, is number 1, the password. It's always the same for the student bio, the classical sociological assignments, and the group participation. You will type in spring 2020, hit submit, and here is our Padlet. And all you will need to do is click on the plus sign. You will write your name. And the first thing is your student name up on top. Okay, and this here you can use to record a video if you like, as I said before, or you can upload, and I'll move this. You can upload a file. You can pick a file. All right. And that is Padlet. And I want to thank all of you for and welcome you to the class. Bye.